A very warm welcome to Smiley Kids channel. Now I am going to do an activity on safety and first aid. What is first aid? The first or immediate help given to an injured person before he or she is taken to a doctor is called first aid. Today we are going to discuss safety from fire, first aid on snake bite, first aid on stomachache and first aid on nose bleeding. Safety from fire. Stop, drop and roll. In case your clothes or someone else's clothes catch fire, do not run. Stop where your drop to the ground and roll on the ground, covering your face. Cut off air supply by throwing mud or sand. We know that fire needs air to keep burning. So, to cut off air supply, throw mud or sand over the fire. Fire extinguisher can be used. For small fire, we can use fire extinguisher to put out the fire. Call to 101 or nearest fire station in case of major fire. Water can be used to put off fire. Wrap yourselves with a thick blanket or rug, but not for long time. First aid on snake bite. Identify the snake. We should identify the color of the snake and which type is that snake. Victim should be kept calm and at rest. Remove any jewelry from the area. A tight bandage should be tied above the wound so that the spread of venom in the body would slow down. Loosen tight-fitting clothes. Transfer the victim to the doctor and take anti-venom. First aid on stomachache. Wash hands frequently. Plenty of fluids to be taken. Try natural remedies at home. Good diet and exercise. Eat fiber-rich foods. Visit doctor for long pain in stomach. First aid on nose bleeding. The person should sit comfortably on a chair and lean forward slightly. Use clean handkerchief to wipe the nose. Index finger and thumb should be used to pinch the nose. The person should breathe through the mouth and not through the nose. If the nosebleed does not stop, the person should visit a doctor. Thank you. Hope you understood this activity.